Okay, so my project this weekend is I need to run some conduit with electrical line through my yard so we can have some trees lit up. And then during the Christmas season, we also have like some stars and stuff on our corner. So I'm gonna bury power line through and through my yard. A lot of digging, so it'll be a little bit of a pain in the butt, but it should be pretty nice when the job's done. Okay, so I had to dig a lot to make this trench to put the conduit in. Oh hey, my family came out too to keep me company. That's kind of nice. So it was, I'd have to say, an hour and a half later by the time I dug this trench out. But should make the wifey happy, because then all I have to do is put the sod back on the trench and not much visibility of my project soon after it's done. Hey, let's take a look at what the kids were doing while I was working. What's that?
Hi, Froggy, Froggy, Froggy.
Sneaking up on him. Oh, did he break this little deal out? Two frogs.
They're my pet frogs. They're my pet frogs. They just wanted to swim for a little bit. Yeah. Hey, Froggy.
I just want to swim for a little bit.
Hello, guys.
That kid got a real love for nature and the little creatures. Well, just got a little bit of work here to finish up with the landscaping to make sure that that looks all neat and proper. And here we go. Keep that packed in there. Perfect. Fill out this plastic a bit and put rocks on top and call her good. Time to fill in the hole. Is there anything as satisfying as sitting on your couch watching monotonous work get done at 5 times speed? I love it. The work is actually getting done so fast that you, from your sedentary position, actually feel a small sense of accomplishment by just watching. Oop, missed a spot. Whoa! A lot of work got done here. So, with that dirt and sod stuff out of the way, let's fill in both ends of the buried conduit with some silicone sealant stuff. You know, to keep the critters out from crawling in and building a home or something. So I'll just kind of put it on in here and run the finger around to give it a nice finish, you know, just so I can bury the whole thing underground anyway. And, well, with all that done, now I guess all I'm left to do is to enjoy the fruits of my labor and, you know, play with this little guy.
Ooh,